This is Harry Jai from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, we're going to show you how you can install WhatsApp Messenger to your brand new iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max, 17 year or any other version of Apple device. For installing WhatsApp, we have to go to Apple Store. Here we go inside Apple Store. In Apple Store, here you have searching button. You see here, tap this one and type WhatsApp. You will see here, click this one. Here, this one, WhatsApp Messenger. So here you have download button, click this one. Click one more time. Is downloading. One most important thing, for downloading anything from Apple Store, you have to have one Apple account. If you don't know how to make an Apple account, if you don't have Apple account, check the video description to make one Apple account for yourself. Okay, WhatsApp is downloading. So WhatsApp is done. You have open button here, but I'm not gonna open from here. I want to show you where is here in my app. So it should be here. If you don't see here, it should be in apps drawer. Here we go. So I click this one. You have to hit agree and continue button. Continue. Hit allow. You have to put your phone number. So put your phone number. Perfect. Name of your country appear. It will take automatically which is the SIM you have. Okay, Spain in this case. I hit next button. It will send your PIN code, verifying PIN. Restore from iCloud. I have some old data in iCloud. From this phone we have backup, so all the chat will appear in this new phone. So I hit here restore. If you want to do that, hit restore. If you don't want, you can hit skip button as well. So in this case, I hit restore button. So restoring chat, you see here 162.2 megabytes. So it will take little bit time in this case. So if you have gigabytes, it will take more, depend on the velocity of your internet or other stuff as well. I think all is done. Here it's the next button. I hit next here. My name, account, you see, would you like WhatsApp contact? Of course, I hit continue. Everything I share with another account to this one here is Harry J. Write in my name. Your name will appear. If it's not, you have to write. Normally they should appear. Hit done button. So all the things is appear here. Lovely, everything. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.